That sound, it's the promise of a perfect coffeehouse latte. But which machine actually delivers? The internet is full of lies. Overhyped gadgets. Empty promises. So, we bought them all. 37 milk frothers. We burned out motors, steamed through milk cartons, and spent a small fortune to find the truth. The results? Some of these so-called best frothers are complete failures. But these five will change your morning forever. The number one pick? You won't see it coming. Starting at number 1. Instant Pot MagicFroth Milk Frother. Best overall milk frother. Allowing you to make foam that's hot, warm, or cold, and with 3 texture options, this milk frother by the brand that revolutionized pressure cooking is our top pick. It's a stainless steel frother with a design that's both sleek and sturdy, and though the base is on the larger side, it won't take up too much extra counter space. The spout makes for easy pouring without spillage, and we appreciated the speed and ease of cleanup, particularly with how secure the lid gasket felt. All temperatures and textures of frothed milk we tried had a firm structure that we enjoyed. We experienced the best results with whole dairy milk or half and half, and cold milk produced a more ideal foam than hot milk. We did find that the act of frothing took longer with this model than with the other products we tested, but we found it to be worth the brief wait. Number 2. Nespresso Arancino 4 Milk Frother. Best countertop milk frother. Featuring an interesting metallic design that is slender and vaguely evocative of a tin can, the Nespresso Arancino 4 was among the first countertop, multifunctional frothers on the market, and it remains a top choice. Narrower than the standard countertop models, it requires less counter space, and it also has numerous dishwasher-safe parts. Like other electric models, it is self-heating and performs on both cold and hot liquids. The hot liquids must be paid close attention to, however, as this frother can reach higher temperatures than others we tested and resulted in scorched hot chocolate for us. That said, its performance on oat milk was top-notch, holding tight bubbles without deflation in the glass for some time. Thanks to the magnetized whisk, the setup is a breeze. Number 3. Smeg Milk Frother. Best splurge milk frother. With 6 presets and 2 manual settings, you have an abundance of options with this Smeg frother. Its retro design and larger size both mean it's likely to become a countertop fixture, and since it's priced on the high side, you'll want to be an avid frother to make the investment in this designer-esque kitchen brand worth it. Hefty and shiny, it's as attractive as it is functional, and the hearty weight of it keeps everything secure on the counter as it works. We found that this frother is particularly useful for hot chocolate lovers, as it has a setting specifically for that use case, and it works best with heavier or fattier liquids. For example, we loved what it did with Barista milks, but it had difficulties with thinner, non-dairy varieties. You'll also have to plan on spending an extra moment to get your desired texture, as we found it took up to 2 full minutes to achieve fully frothed milk. Number 4. Breville Milk Café Frother. Best large capacity milk frother. Customize your frothing endlessly with Breville the Milk Café, our largest frother of choice, which enables you to work with 25 ounces of liquid at once. We were surprised that despite its large capacity, it doesn't take up a ton of counter space. It's a stainless steel machine on a hefty base, and it comes with 2 different discs for frothing both cappuccinos and lattes. We love that the discs are magnetic, which makes getting them into place as quick and painless as possible, and we enjoyed the results they produced. Our only complaint was that, for a higher-end machine, the power button felt flimsy and cheap. It took some time to get the hang of the optimal milk temperature setting, but after some initial beeping, we didn't have further troubles. If you're one of many who love an exact specific temperature of beverage, it's an ideal pick. Number 5. HIC Fino Milk Frother. Best manual milk frother. Manual frothers, by nature, require manual labor, so expect to get a short minute of exercise with the HIC Fino frother. The pretty stainless steel carafe can handle any type of milk, and you'll use the pull spout on top to press the whisking mechanism up and down. With a 14-ounce capacity, you can even froth milk for 2 smaller cappuccinos or lattes at once. Because the construction is steel, you aren't able to see the progress you're attaining, which we found challenging when using it for hot chocolate. Beyond its shortfalls with hot chocolate, the results in the HIC Fino were otherwise consistent, and we were impressed with the stability of the foam once we poured it into a glass. We particularly enjoyed using it for cold foam, finding the results similar to a Starbucks cold foam drink. And there you have it. The ultimate truth about milk frothers in 2025. No more guesswork, just perfect foam every single time. Ready to upgrade your coffee game? All the product links, including today's featured picks and our exclusive discount codes, are waiting for you in the video description below. If we helped you find your next kitchen hero, pay it forward, smash that like button, share this video with a fellow coffee lover, and subscribe to the channel for more no-nonsense reviews. Because tomorrow, we're exposing the truth about smart ovens, and you won't believe what we found.